How to fix AMD software record and stream option not available after new update.
Go to your local C drive, Program Files, AMD, CIM, bin 64. Open the AMD cleanup utility. Click Yes to reboot into safe mode. Before that, save this video and click Yes to reboot. If you can't find the AMD cleanup utility, you can download it directly from the AMD website. Go to amd.com. Go to Resources and Support, then Drivers. Scroll down to AMD Cleanup Utility. Click to download and open it. Click Yes to reboot and run in safe mode. Click OK to perform a clean uninstall. Then click Finish. And Yes to reboot. Now your graphics driver is completely uninstalled.
Next, open your newest version AMD software installer. Make sure you selected Full Install and click Install. Restart your computer to complete install. Done now. You have record and stream ready to use. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.